What's up everyone? I'm Kim, aka Kim the Product. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing episode 1 of Nail Mail. So Nail Mail is going to be a new series that I'm going to be doing on my channel. It's self-explanatory, right? It's just going to be unboxings, which I love to do and I have so much content for because I'm a little bit of a shopaholic. But I am in the process of sort of attempting to take clients at this point. So I have a lot of new supplies coming in. I have some really exciting stuff. I have some acrylic coming. So what better time than now to start this series, right? I say attempting to take clients because, you know, with COVID right now, everything's a little crazy. I've also not been able to get my license because New York is not hosting tests right now, so everything's a little bit up in the air, but you guys are still gonna get content from me regardless. And I still need this because I know the world is gonna go back to normal one day, right? So I need this stuff regardless. So today I have a few things for you. I'm so excited about this package in particular. This is my Beyond Pro bundle from Kiara Sky. By the way, these stickers did not come on the box. This is me just covering up my privacy. This was a gift from my boyfriend for Christmas, but I believe the bundle was about $5.50, and I also gave him a code to use, so I think it came out to about $5.30, $5.20 around there. So my first impression when I opened the box, I remember just gasping. And by the way, I'm doing this voiceover a few hours after filming this video. I feel like I'm so easily impressed because this little pink, I don't know if I can call this bubble wrap because doesn't look the same as the other kind, but whatever. This pink bubble thing here, I love it because I feel like details, you know, like the bundle's pink bubble paper. It could also just be a coincidence because Kiara Sky's, you know, brand color is pink too. I wonder if they would use the blue one, if I would have bought the blue bundle. But also, okay, so let's get into this box. Kiara Sky is so good about their packaging. This box is sturdy. You will not want to throw this box out. On the back, there's a paragraph describing the drill. You see the specifications of it. You see what's in the package itself and features of the drill. We're gonna get more into the specifications when I actually unbox it. Let's move on to this lamp now, and I think I'm gonna change the angle. This box was so big, you guys. I could barely get it all on camera. So the box itself is magnetic, which I've always thought is so cool about Kiara Sky's packaging. But when you first open the box, what you see is the warranty, and you also see the instruction manual. I like instantly wanted to pull out the motor because it's just so beautiful. It was called, look, I'm like caressing it, but what else comes in this box? This is the table stand that holds the motor. This right here is what you hook on to the side of the motor so you can hold the handpiece. This part is part of the table stand, so that's what will hold the handpiece. They also put in a mandrel, which you usually get with drills, but they also sent a diamond, a fine diamond bit, which I thought was really nice of them to include that. This one looks like it's really good too. This right here is the charger. And saving the best for last, we have the motor and the handpiece. So let me tell you guys, I have never felt a drill like this. Like, I'm not trying to gas it or anything, but just holding this in my hand really feels like luxury. It just feels so smooth, so clean. It has a little bit of weight to it, but not so much that it's like annoying or overbearing. On the side, it has the area where you guys just saw me pull that plastic off, the rubber off, where you can click on the handpiece holder. It also has another one on the opposite side, so I guess it depends on, your dominant hand, what's comfortable for you. I know you guys saw the charger port on the bottom, and here on the top you have where you're going to connect your handpiece. You have a forward and reverse switch, and then of course you have your power knob, and this is also where you're going to control the speed. Here you can see one of my favorite parts about this drill, which is the light up KS. I know that's something so simple, but it just adds to the feel of, luxury, of really having an item that you're getting your money's worth. I mean, of course I need to try it and make sure it's as good as, its reputation says so, but I just love that little light detail. When I first pulled out this handpiece, the first thought in my mind was that the cord reminds me of like an old school phone cord, but I guess that it's good because of the stretch. Of course, you're never gonna have the motor so far away from you. Obviously, most times we have it in our pockets, clipped onto our jeans or something like that, but it's good to know that you have the room to move around if you need. And hopefully that doesn't get in the way too much. I can't see it really getting in the way. It's super easy to lock and unlock the area where you're placing the bits inside of. You just have to turn the knob either to the lock or unlocked picture of the little lock there. So that is pretty much self-explanatory. I pulled out the holder shank, and I want to try out this diamond bit here. I'm gonna let you guys hear that at full potential and let me know what you guys think about the sound. Again, I regret so much not having my older drill in this video because the difference in the sound between these two is crazy. I am thoroughly impressed by how quiet this drill is. Let me know in the comments how it compares to drills that you guys have. But compared to my old one, this one is amazing. I put a cute little sticker there. You guys know I love personalizing and adding stickers to my equipment. I'll probably end up changing that one, but to wrap up some important details, I just want to say that this drill by itself is about $350. There are some influencer codes that you can look for that can help reduce the price about $25. And I think at this point they're not selling this bundle anymore. I think it was like a holiday thing. I also think it's notable that the charging time to charge it in full is 2 hours, and then you get 10 hours of battery life, which I think is amazing. And of course it is a 35k RPM, which is an upgrade for me personally. Moving on now to this amazing LED lamp. This is their volume 2 one. I didn't look too much at their volume 1, so I don't know what the difference is between the two. I don't know also if they're even still selling the first one. But the back is very similar to the drill. You have your paragraph, your features, your specifications, and it tells you what's in the box itself. So the box itself had a handle. At first I thought that that was the handle to the lamp, but it is a separate handle, I guess just so you can carry the box. Sorry that my camera took a little bit to focus here, but isn't she so pretty, guys? I got hyped right away because I realized that the KS was gonna light up on this one too, and I didn't know that beforehand, so it was a nice surprise. Also, one of my first impressions was that the pink was slightly different than the drill. Not that it really matters, just something I noticed. First thing I saw when I opened the box was the warranty again. That's why you guys are seeing that circle there, because I wanted to cover up my serial number. There's also the DC adapter here, which is basically the power cord. We've got an instruction manual, of course. This here is the bottom plate of the lamp. It is wrapped in this blue foil. That's to avoid scratches. So I'm going to pull that off and I'm just going to slide that into place. I love the fact that you can take the bottom off this light. There are a few situations where you want to position your lamp a certain way and not having the bottom helps, but the fact that this lamp is so big is just extraordinary. So here you can see the back of it. You can see the handle, which is pretty much the same material as the rest of the lamp. I love the fact that I get 4 time choices. That's 2 more choices than my current lamp gave me, so it's a definite upgrade for me. I also left the sound in so you guys can hear what it sounds like when you press the buttons. And here, of course, again, one of my favorite parts, when you turn the lamp on, the logo turns on just like the drill. I find that to be so nice. I know it's so simple, but I just cannot get over it. So this lamp is 48 watts. That is a crazy upgrade from my last lamp. I think that one was 35. So I am excited to see how this baby works. The side there says powered by LG Initech. I did some quick research. I don't know too much about them, but I saw that they were a company based in South Korea. They're doing exciting things right now. I saw that they had developed the world's smallest Bluetooth module, so that just makes me excited, like more excited about the lamp, you know, because it just makes me feel like it was worth investing in, even though it was a gift, but yeah. And finally, I just wanted to compare all the pinks. I noticed that they all were slightly different. So the handpiece, for example, matched more like the Kiara Sky packaging. It didn't match the motor exactly. It also didn't match the lamp exactly, and the lamp didn't match the motor, excuse me. But either way, they're all cute shades of pink, so I'm not mad at it. Just something I noticed. And by the way, for those of you that are interested, this lamp is $250 by itself. So my second package is from Amazon. I have already ripped off my tracking sticker there for the purpose of this video. That's why you don't see it. This is actually 2 things that I ordered that came together. The first thing was this set of cuticle bits from Melodysusie. This is actually the first thing I've ever ordered from them. Well, that of the brand, because obviously I got this from Amazon. And I always hear good things about their drills and the bits. So since I already have, you know, my own drill, I'm like, let me try this out. And I actually don't have that many cuticle bits, and now since I'm doing so much more acrylic now, I really needed this. And I love this like rainbow holographic design, so I'm excited. I also needed some diamond bits because I just right now was using carbide, so yeah, I want to kind of see what works better for me. These bits are 332 size, which is the standard size for most modern drills at this point. It's crazy, the drill's going so fast it looks like the bit is standing still, but it's definitely revolving. The second thing in this order, and the last thing I will be showing you guys, is this nail drill bit organizer. I obviously needed this after I bought that bit set. By the way, that drill bit set cost me $8.99. This organizer right here cost me $7.99, which both of those items I think are really cheap, so that was good. There was only one downside to this organizer for me, and you guys will see in a second. But when I pulled it out, I thought it was really cute. The pink bottom I think is like very, very on brand for me. I like that the top is not flimsy. It doesn't come off easily, so that was a plus for me. The only thing, and I realized this after, like, at this point when I was using it, I don't know why I didn't pay attention to the fact that it's not magnetic. That is so important for a drill bit organizer. I don't know how I didn't, think about it. Sometimes my mind goes blank when I'm shopping. I'm just like, I just swiping. I don't know what I'm doing. um, but that, like, you guys learn from my mistake. Definitely you want to get a magnetic one, because especially if you're planning on being a traveling nail tech, or you're going to be moving your stuff at all, you don't want this to fly everywhere, and every time you pull that cap off you have to organize. And it's crazy that I didn't remember, because I have this one here. This is a Macart organizer. This was actually a whole set. And this is magnetic, and this is so good. So I'm going to take those, transfer them out to here. I'm still going to use this even though it's not magnetic. I'm just going to be careful with it. So that is it for the first ever episode of Nail Mail. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to episode 2. If you liked it, drop a like. If you're new here, subscribe. All that good stuff. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.